Good morning, dear students. Today we'll study the next chapter, Chapter 10, Microbes in Human Welfare. What are microbes? Microbes are the organisms which cannot be seen in naked eye. They can be seen only under microscope. As we have already studied about the study of microscope in the first year. So microbes are found in all habitat. They may be protozoans, fungi, bacteria or virus. Microbes are present everywhere in soil, water, air, inside our bodies and that of other animals and plants. Microbes like bacteria and many fungi can be grown on nutritive media to form colonies that can be seen with the naked eyes. Such cultures are useful in studies on microorganisms. Microbes cause a large number of diseases in human beings. They also cause diseases in animals and plants. Most of the microbes are useful to human beings. They are used in daily life in household products. Now, microbes in household products. So, example, curd is formed by adding small amount of curd to milk. So, common example is production of curd from milk. So, microorganisms such as lactobacillus bacteria and lactic acid bacteria present in starter multiplies in suitable temperature and converts milk into curd. So during growth, the lactic acid bacteria produce acids that coagulate and partially digest the milk proteins. A small amount of curd added to the fresh milk as inoculum or starter, which contains millions of lactic acid bacteria, which at suitable temperatures multiply, thus converting milk to curds. It also improves the nutritional quality by increasing vitamin B12. In our stomach too, the lactic acid bacteria play a very beneficial role in checking disease-causing microbes. Now, next example, toddy. Toddy is a traditional drink of South India made by fermentation of sap of palm tree by bacteria. So it is made by fermenting sap from the palms. Next example, dough and bread. Dough is made by fermentation of bacteria. The bread is made fermented by baker yeast called as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Dough is used for making the foods, so it is also used in making idli, dosa, etc. Dosa is also fermented by bacteria. The puffed up appearance of dough is due to the production of CO2 gas. Similarly, the dough is used for making bread by using this baker yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Next example, cheese. Cheese is one of the oldest food items in which microbes were used. Cheese is made by partial degradation of milk using microbes. Different varieties of cheese are known by their characteristic texture, flavor, and taste. For example, large holes in Swiss cheese are due to the production of large amount of carbon dioxide CO2 by a bacteria named as Propionibacterium shermani. Then one more example, Roquefort cheese are ripened by growing a specific fungi on them which gives them a particular flavor. So these are the examples, that is curd, dough, cheese, toddy. So these are the examples where microbes are used in household products. Next, we study about microbes in industrial products. Microbes are used to synthesize a number of products valuable to human beings. Beverages are one of the examples in microbes in industrial products. Production on an industrial scale requires growing microbes in a very large vessels called fermenters. Alcoholic beverages are formed by fermenting malt and fruit juice by brewer's yeast named as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Microbes, especially yeasts, have been used from the time immemorial for the production of beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, or rum. For this purpose, the same yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, are used for bread making and commonly called brewer's yeast, which is used for fermenting malted cereals and fruit juices to produce ethanol. So depending on the type of the raw material used for fermentation and the type of processing, different types of alcoholic drinks are obtained. Wine and beer are produced without distillation. Whiskey, brandy, and rum are formed by distillation. Next, antibiotics. Antibiotics are chemical substances which are produced by some microbes and can kill or retard the growth of other disease-causing microbes. Alexander Fleming, it is the first who discovered antibiotic penicillin from a fungi named as Penicillium notatum. Penicillin is extracted by Penicillium notatum. It is used to cure many bacterial diseases. Then streptokinase is extracted by Streptococcus bacteria, which is used as clot buster for removing clots from the blood vessels of patients who have undergone myocardial infarction. Antibiotics have greatly improved our capacity to treat the deadly diseases such as plague, whooping cough, diphtheria, and leprosy, which used to kill millions all over the globe. So today we cannot imagine a world without antibiotics. Next, chemicals, enzymes, and other bioactive molecules. Here, microbes are also used for commercial and industrial production of certain chemicals like organic acids, alcohols, and enzymes. So examples for acid producers are Aspergillus niger, a fungus used for the production of citric acid; Acetobacter aceti, a bacterium used for the production of acetic acid; Clostridium botulism, a bacterium used for the production of butyric acid; Lactobacillus, a bacterium used for the production of lactic acid; Saccharomyces cerevisiae, yeast used for the commercial production of ethanol. So these are the various chemicals or the organic acids produced from the microbes. Next, enzymes. Enzymes are biocatalysts. So microbes are also used for the production of enzymes. So example, lipases used in laundry detergents, which are helpful in removing oily stains from the laundry. Next, enzymes pectinase and protease used in bottled juices. So bottled fruit juices bought from the market are clearer as compared to those made at home. This is because the bottled juices are clarified by use of pectinases and proteases. Then next, streptokinase, Streptococcus bacterium used as a clot buster, that is to remove the clots. It is modified by genetic engineering, is used as a clot buster for removing clots from the blood vessels of patients who have undergone myocardial infarction leading to heart attack. So these are the enzymes where the microbes are used. Next, bioactive molecules. Bioactive molecules such as cyclosporin A, that is used as an immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patients. So it is produced by the fungus Trichoderma polysporum. The next, statins, produced by the yeast Monascus purpuris, have been commercialized as blood cholesterol lowering agents. It acts by competitively inhibiting the enzyme responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol. So these are some chemicals, enzymes, and other bioactive molecules where microbes are used. Thank you.